Where's the economy? You are thinking that temple is also a place like your house or theatre or something else. You are thinking that the time spent here in the temple is equal to the time spent in your recreation or relaxation. You are thinking that the money spent here is equal to the money expenditure you are doing that. So in order to remove that nescience, we want to say about the speciality of the temple zone. Temple zone is having, just as you are having refrigerator, which maintains a constant different temperature which is not available in the external atmosphere. Refrigerator, it gives certain temperature to the inner ingredients, and air conditioner provides the same facility to an inner room, totally different from even the red hot summer climate which is there outside. So it is known as a contrary provision. Like the temple, in spite of its location, proximity, vicinity, similarity, identity and resemblance with all other utility sources that we are doing, it is totally different, distinct and transcendental. The place here is a shelter from where you can just drive out all of your fears, all of your phobias. The problem is, most of the people, they don't know how to manage the temple. I am giving you a computer. I am giving you a computer with all information. If you don't know the activation of the computer, what is the use of the computer? I am giving you all sophisticated tools. If you don't know the manual of operation, how you can get the benefits from that? Totally impossible. I am giving you a checkbook. If you don't know what the provisions of drawing or the methodology of drawing the money from the bank, you don't know the location, you don't know the approachability and other things, how you can get money from the bank? So everything is methodology. Temple is a source of power, source of solace, source of knowledge. Whatever we are struggling, whatever we are suffocating, whatever we have been dreaming, whatever we have been neglected, rejected, drowned, driven out and kicked and knocked out in the world, everything you can get in abundance in a temple. But unfortunately, we don't know that it is a treasury of what we want. We think that we are contributing to temple without knowing temple is contributing to you. We are thinking that we are supporting the temple instead of knowing the temple is supporting. If a person knows proper temple management, 1 hour of a person's fruitful residence, systematic residence inside a temple is more than enough to carry 10 years of successful and powerful life in all of his various walks of life. Economic, academic, industrial, social, each and every walk of human life where people are dreaming, where people have surrendered